With Cofactor's kitting feature, you can request your stock to be bundled into the exact quantities you need, organized, labeled, and ready for assembly. Kits keep shipments streamlined and flexible, ensuring your team receives parts clearly marked and production ready. The results? Smoother logistics, faster builds, and less time wasted chasing missing or mislabeled parts. In Cofactor, you can kit a single line, you can kit a BOM, and you can even kit an entire program. In this example, we're going to show you how to kit from a program. First things first, select the parts that you want to kit and click Add to Kit. Next, select if you want to add to an existing kit or create a new kit. Also select your destination facility, your ship method, as well as where you're kitting from. One of our 2 Cofactor warehouses in this case. Click Next. Here, you're going to adjust your quantities if you need to. Click Next. Lastly, you can decide if you want to print ref des or BOM line numbers on your labels. Click Confirm. On this next screen, we are going to see allocations. Since this is a demo org, there is nothing to allocate, but in your org, what this means is it'll pull from existing inventory to allocate to this program to then kit. Review your allocations and click Done. Go to your kit. Here you will see everything that we just entered in the previous screen. You can also add notes, printed notes, and internal notes for your kit as well. Come down here to the scrubbing tool to see what parts are unavailable in your kit. Lastly, approve this kit. This is what signifies to our warehouse to start working on kitting. Lastly, you can choose to ship a kit partially. What this means is all parts that are available will go out while we wait for parts that might have been delayed.